Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Webhook inside Continually. So here Continually is a no-code platform which is designed to streamline customer engagement on websites through automated chatbots and live chat options. So here it allows businesses to capture leads, answer visitors' queries, frequently asked questions, and schedule meeting directly, helping the website to convert the traffic into qualified leads. This platform is very user-friendly and it offers multiple amazing features for the businesses and websites. If you are using Continually as your customer engagement application, then this video is for you because I am going to show you that how you can simply set up a connection between Continually and Pabbly Connect to automate your repetitive task. To build this connection, we are going to insert Webhook inside Continually. Now, Webhook acts as a bridge for setting up connections between applications and for transferring the data from one application towards another on the happening of a specific event. So once you will set up Webhook inside Continually, you will build a connection between these applications in such a way that as soon as a lead is going to submit any query or they're going to send a message with the help of the chatbot which you have created in Continually, then automatically the response of that person is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect with all the details. So here, for example, I have created a chatbot which is going to ask the details of the person who has visited my website, such as their name, email, and phone number. If the person is going to answer these details, so I will be able to capture the details of these persons as they are going to act as a lead for my business. And here, if I want, I can automatically create a record of all these leads in my Google Sheets. I can send a WhatsApp message to these leads for sending their product catalog or service catalog to them, and much more I can do. And I can simply automate this entire process. For that, you have to learn how you have to set up Webhook inside Continually, and that we are going to learn over here in this video. Let's get started. Before moving forward, you can see on my screen there are two windows, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Basically, these are the major concept or the principles we can say of the entire workflow on which the automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective over here is that as soon as I'm going to receive a response from the chatbot in Continually, then I want to create a record of the lead who has submitted the response in my Google Sheets. So for that, let's suppose I'm going to take Continually in trigger and Google Sheets in action. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the response is captured through Continually, then only the details will be recorded in Google Sheets and not before that. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start connecting Continually with Pabbly Connect with the help of Webhook. To start with the process, you have to go towards your trigger step and you have to select your trigger application as Continually. So let's select that. Then you have to select the trigger event, on the happening of which event you want to capture the response. So here we have external API request. So whenever the external API request will be captured, I want to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect, and that too instantly. How we are going to capture the response? With the help of the Webhook URL. So let's copy the Webhook URL as it is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data from Continually towards Pabbly Connect. And to insert this Webhook URL inside Continually, we have all the given instructions which we have to follow. So I will tell you exactly what you're supposed to do. I will first of all take you towards Continually account. So this is my account. Over here we'll go towards the bot section and you can see that these are all the bots I have created. So I'm going to select one of these bots. Let's suppose this basic lead bot. We'll go towards the bot which we have to connect. And over here we can see the option of custom external API. So we have to set up the Webhook inside it. So this is the entire procedure which the bot is going to follow. So this is the procedure of the bot which I have created. Bot is going to ask certain details such as the name of the lead, their email, their phone number, and then they are going to send a message. Okay. So this is the procedure of my bot. I'm going to add another procedure at last that will be to send this response towards the Webhook URL. For doing that, we'll click on this custom external API and we have to enter the details in these fields. So first of all, in the URL method field, we have to paste the Webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to delete the existing Webhook URL from here And you can see we have to select the method as post currently, and we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then you have to turn the add parameters button on, and you have to give the parameters that what all values you want in the response. So here you have to enter the key, that is the name of the field, and the value which you want in that place. Then we have the email and the mobile number. After entering all these details, you will simply click on send request button so that a message could be sent, a test message could be sent towards Pabbly Connect. Let's go and check. Yes, here we have received the test message. So we'll click on recapture webhook response button. Now we'll go back, and over here we'll save the setup which we have done. Now after saving this setup, what we have to do, we have to add this process in the workflow which we have created in the process of the bot. So we will simply drag it down, and then we will connect it with this arrow. Now as we have done that, we have set the bot live, and now we are going to publish the bot which we have created. As we have done that, the bot is published. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. So when we are going to capture the response now, when we will do a test submission by submitting the response in the bot. So now I'm going to open the bot in front of you. We'll go towards the preview section. This is my website, and here we have the bot which is attached, which we have created, and we have also connected this bot with Pabbly Connect. So let's open the bot. I'm going to submit the response over here as a lead. Hey, I'm Pabbly, nice to meet you. What is your name? So let's say I'm going to give the name as, let's say the name of the lead is Smart Lead. Now it is asking us the email. So I'm going to give the email as smartlead@pabblytudes.com. Then is the turn of phone number. So I'm going to enter the phone number of the lead, let's say. All right. And you can see that here we have submitted the response. So when we have done that, let's cross this. We'll move back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that the response is already captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. We have the name of the lead, the phone number, and their email address as well. This means our connection between Continually and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new response will be captured through the bot which we have created in Continually from our website or our application, that automatically the response is going to be captured. Here I've just taken some basic details such as the name, email, and the phone number of the client or the lead. But in the parameters, you can add as much details as you want, which you want to capture. Further, once you have received the response, you can add your action applications over here in the action steps so that you can automatically transfer this response to any other application according to your requirements. You can create a record automatically of the lead details in your Google Sheets. You can send emails to these leads by adding Gmail in your action step. You can add these leads in your CRM or email marketing application, and you can also send WhatsApp messages to them. Okay, so I hope this connection is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.